Hey everyone, Danger is the coolest, and today we're gonna be making another video. This is I'm vlogging today, and this is basically my front yard over here. I hope you can get a good view of that. And if you're wondering what happened with the basketball court, that's actually kind of a long story, because right when I woke up this morning, it was completely knocked down. No joke. It's because of that storm yesterday. You remember from that Lego video that I made? I might have to remake it, but there was a storm. It was like a dust storm. Let's see what else fell out of our yard. Okay, so I come here. Let's check. Now we know for sure that this thing fell over. Wait, you see that over there? Guys, you see that? I saw that. I saw it. So I'm right there. I've never seen one of those before. Oh, this is gonna be exciting. I have never, in my life, seen a nest. It's a bird nest. Let me pick it up and show you guys what I mean. So right now I'm sitting at my very big tree, and here's the nest. I've never seen one of these things. Have you guys? Man, I wonder how those birds feel. I think I should go home. I'm gonna go, let's see, right. Oh, monkey. Where am I gonna go? Where should I put it up there? Click there. I'm pretty sure I should. Hold on, let me show you guys. See how can I get up here? Sorry. Oh no. How am I gonna? Yeah, this might be a little challenging, guys. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, this is challenging. 2 hands. But none to you. Should I go to higher ground or no? I am a monkey. Oh wow. Wow. Trampoline. I don't want my tablet. That's what I'm using to record. This is bad. This is bad, guys. I don't know. But I found a bird. It might fit good right there. No? Some birds could. Some good. Outside. So let me get back down. Okay, guys, I found a way to get down. If you could hear screaming, don't worry about that. That's my new baby brother. I have one inside. Not that one. And you want to know something about my garden? Here it is. Here's this part. Now, don't touch these flowers. They may look pretty, but when you pick one off, they hurt your hand. They have little spikes. No joke about that. I don't think anything else fell off around here. Let's check around the neighborhood, shall we? I think if we checked around the neighborhood, it would be really, really cool. And I'm in Nevada right now, and the cool part about that nest that I saw is I've never seen a nest in my life. Oh, wait a second. Is that another one knocked down? Let's go check. I know this might take a while, guys. Okay, guys, I made it in. It knocked that thing. Don't think that's a good idea. I don't want to mess with it. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't show you this, but there's this tree I saw earlier when I was coming back home from school. It was knocked down, and I didn't have my tablet. I would have shown you guys, but guess I didn't. Guess things happen. Here, I think that should be enough for today, for vlogging today. I don't know. Didn't get anything needed. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and tell me in the comments below if you've ever seen a nest before. And if anything's ever been crazy to you that it's blown into death. Goodbye. Sorry for no intro.